What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can turn on keyboard light on your laptop. So you can do this on your Mac, on your Windows laptop, anything. Okay, so what you want to do guys, you want to just first, let me start with gaming laptops. If you have a gaming laptop guys, you want to just click Fn, as you can see here guys, Fn. At the same time you want to click on up key, as you can see here, Fn and up key. And as you can see here, the keyboard light has turned on. Now, if you don't have a gaming laptop, let me show you how you can turn this on. Now, as you can see here, guys, we have turned on turned on keyboard light. Now, if you don't have a gaming laptop, you want to click on Fn, okay, and try F2, F3, okay. Try if, like I said, you want to click on Fn. You can find Fn here and here. The meaning of Fn is function. You want to just click on Fn and then click F3 and see if it works. If it doesn't work, try F4 and keep doing that. That's what I did to discover how can I turn on keyboard light on my laptop. Just keep clicking here, like Fn, always click on Fn and try the keys in the top at the same time. Fn and then click F4. If doesn't, so F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11, F12. That's what you need to do guys. Some laptops do have to work on Fn and space, okay. Some laptops they have to click on Fn and space at the same time, like this. Space, this is the space. Now if it doesn't work, try Alt, okay, Alt, and try the keys in the top. If it doesn't work for you, try Alt. You want to click on Alt, as you can see. Yeah, you want to click on Alt and then keep clicking the keys in the top. That's what I did guys to discover this. So guys, I hope guys this video helped you. If it does, please drop a like. See you guys in the next video. Please let me know in the comments if this works. Hopefully let me know the name of your laptop and what worked for you.